Hello, kiddos! Now try guessing if this insect is alive or not alive. If you said that this insect is not alive, you are correct. This is called the cicadas. This is the exoskeleton of the cicadas. Beside this exoskeleton, there's two other exoskeletons. But not in this only tree there's these exoskeletons. In all of the trees here, there's these exoskeletons. That's why I hear a lot of noises of these cicadas. If you see their eyes and legs, they look so cool. It looks like they're really alive. In the background noise, you might hear like key noise. Those are the cicadas' noise. They're so cool, right? If there's every one of exoskeletons of them in each and every tree, then how many cicadas would be there? We can never even count, right? Okay, kiddos, if you like this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and share. Bye!